Beware of the cat. The Jennifer cat? Jennifer? Are you going to be a cat?
And beware of the cat.
Gotcha. I'm going to be a dog.
2, 3, 4, get ready. 2, 3, 4, 1. 3, 4, 1.
How do you know the words? Holy shit, you're so good.
Work it.
And then it's hello, Maureen. Hello, Maureen. Hello, Ida. Hello, Grace. What is that, Bruce? With the big egghead hair over it? My word! Look at him. Look at him. Okay. Oh, there's a beat card. Yeah. Listen, here's again. Everybody say 3, 4, 1. And you'll get it. Okay, you just said, oh my. 3, 4, 1.
Let's hit you this expression right now. Let's hit you.
3, 4, 1. 3, 4, 1. I have the children from the farmhouse and their friends ran into the water. It's out of straight sea. I don't look at the map.
Look at you, look at me, what's this matter?
Isn't that obvious?
Laugh and stop.
3, 4, 1.
Why don't we play with the fishes?
You could be a pop star. I'm not even kidding.
She's not standing. Okay, Tricky says wow under great. Let's move again. Go ahead. 1, 2, wow, 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 wow.
That's so dirty. It sounds like such a freaking tramp.
You're a big
She's getting ready. Ew!